We've spent all day in the van catching up on editing projects and getting some videos submitted, and now we are about to head on to Saguaro National Park. Let's do it. There's a twister over there. What in the world? Whoa. So I was just flying my drone, and that was the absolute sketchiest thing I've ever done with my drone before. I was like way out trying to chase one of these sand tornadoes, trying to get up close to it. They're so deceptively far away. You see them and you're like, oh, that one's just right there. And then you fly that direction and you just keep flying and you keep flying and keep flying. So anyways, I hit 50% battery. Normally that's my, okay, I need to start turning around. So I turn around and the wind was blowing directly into the drone. So I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just watching the battery level just like tick down 50, 45, 30. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I may have to walk out into this desert and grab my drone. Luckily, I made it back with like 12% or something around those lines, like 20, it was like around 20, and then by the time I landed, it was like 12. I really wish I could get up close to these tornadoes though, because they look so cool. It's not meant to be. It's not meant to be. Welcome to Saguaro National Park. We just got here. Melissa just went into the visitor center to get our map and passport stamps. And then we're gonna continue on and see what this park has to offer. She's actually coming right now.
I only had one kind of boring stamp, sadly. And I did it really bad too.
Oh, wow. Bummer. Look at that one. It's a big one.
Whoa, that thing's gotta be 20 feet tall, maybe 30.
This one looks like it has a little hat on the top up there. See it? But it doesn't, it just has the little sprouts. Those are some big cacti right there. Biggins. What do you think this thing is right here? This plant.
Oh.
This thing is so weird looking. Wild. There's a lot of cactuses out here. I didn't realize it would be this big, to be honest. Oh, hi. Oh. Saguaro!
Oh, goodness, girl.
Saguaro National Park. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Just look at it. I mean, just come on, just look at it. So, Saguaro, it's cool. I think I'm more of just a mountain person and like water and lakes and things like that. And yeah, I don't know. I'd actually, like I said, it's cool. But I found myself going, oh yeah, it's the same thing over and over and over and over and over again, the entire loop that we did.
I thought it was cool. I think if you appreciate it for what it is, it's pretty cool.
Yeah. I mean, it still is pretty cool, like I said. Definitely better than Hot Springs.
Definitely better than Hot Springs.
So it was just recently Melissa's birthday, and for her birthday, we are going with family and friends to Disney in California. And that is tomorrow night that we have to be there to go the next morning to Disney. So we need to go to Joshua Tree as well as getting to California by tomorrow night. So it is currently 4 o'clock right now, and I think what the plan is, we're gonna get some gas, fuel up, hit the road, and get as close as we can to Joshua Tree tonight.
We'll get there at 11 p.m. if we don't stop, and
Wow.
we will definitely stop.
Okay, so 6.5 hours to Joshua Tree. So we're gonna head that direction and hopefully get there in enough time that we can explore it tomorrow and then get to California.
Yeah, it isn't California, you realize that, right?
Get to Disney.
Okay.
I meant to get to Disney.
about an hour outside of Joshua Tree. We stayed the night in some BLM land last night, totally secluded. It was a beautiful night, and we are driving to Joshua Tree this morning. And the plan for today is we have to get an oil change, and then we're driving to Anaheim to go to Disneyland tomorrow. So I'm so excited. It'll be Dolly's first time going to doggy daycare, so I'm a nervous wreck about it. Of course, Kyle is totally fine. Motherhood, right? I'm really excited for Joshua Tree, though. This one's been on our bucket list for a while. I've heard kind of mixed things about it. I've heard it's really cool, and I've heard some people say it's a little underwhelming. So either way, I think it should be a really fun park to go to.
Yeah, I guess we'll find out. I do know that I am excited to get out of the desert. Even though Joshua Tree, I believe, is still in the desert.
Yeah.
I'm excited to get out of the desert whenever that is, because I'm tired of driving through the same thing for
I'm tired of there being no
10
clouds.
years.
Like, let's bring clouds back. You know what I'm saying? It's so bright.
It's the Joshua Tree.
Welcome to Joshua Tree.
Let's go check out this park.
Let's see it. Oh, I lost my shoe, Dolly. Whoa.
Right?
Dang.
Those are some cool
three of them
ones.
don't even say Joshua Tree. Shall we?
We shall. So we've been driving for quite a while now into the park, and there has been yet to be Joshua trees.
Yeah, we haven't seen any yet.
Well, this is what the park looks like right now. I mean, it is quite literally just more desert. These little tiny shrubs and everything everywhere, but they're not quite Joshua trees. Road may flood. These are cholla cactuses. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but there are a lot of them. As you can see, they are everywhere here. However, we are still trying to find the mystical Joshua tree. We've been driving for like 20 minutes now and haven't seen a single one.
More than that, probably.
Way over there. I don't know if you can see that. Like right there is the entrance to a mine that operated in, let's see, 1930s? Somewhere around the 1930s, and tapered off in the 50s and 60s. Can you imagine working here during the summer? We have a change of landscape. We have a whole bunch of rocks.
That's actually super cool.
Whoa. This looks like arches now.
Is that a Joshua tree?
Maybe.
I bet
Oh, they are.
It is. Oh my gosh, so maybe those little things are Joshua trees. They're just really itty bitty.
Yeah. There's one. And it puts some over there.
Oh, our first Joshua tree, maybe.
Our first Josh.
Let us know in the comments if it's not one.
Those are some big trees for a desert. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of impressive that things can survive out here. Looks like we have a fallen comrade right here on the side of the road. I'm so curious what the inside of them looks like, how these things grow so big. Whoa, these are like spikes, man. Those are like hard.
Skull Rock. We are walking to Skull Rock. Sounds like something from Peter Pan.
Taking his head? Yeah. He's got a nit.
Alrighty, well, we just left Joshua Tree. We need to top up on water, and then we are headed to Anaheim to go to Disney tomorrow morning. We still need to get our oil change of the van. We also are gonna go fill up water, and yeah. Okay, 3-minute parking, full station only. Let's see, looks promising. Looks wet underneath. Sweet. Let's get our hose out and get filled. Hi, Dolly. stay. It normally stays. Whoo-wee. The sun here is so stinking hot. It's crazy. So once this is full, my rear view camera, whenever it gets dirty, it's like impossible to see anything. So I think I'm just gonna spray it off. All right, let's see if this reaches. Ugh. Ah! All right, hopefully that's enough. Now the thing I didn't think about when doing that is I like to keep the hose as dry as possible. That way when I put it back in the container that we have in the van, it's not all wet. Guess what I just did? I sprayed the entire thing and got it wet. Water? Check. Okay, this is wild. We literally are in the desert. We are 10 minutes, maybe, outside of Joshua Tree, and we can see a snow-capped mountain in the distance. Like, what?
Doesn't even look like it's that high up compared to the other mountains either.
That's crazy. All right, we'll see what they say, but they have a gross weight maximum of 8,000 pounds to enter. We are 9,000 pounds, roughly, just over 9,000. And yeah, this might be interesting. Dolly. It's okay, girlfriend. They said we were good to come on. Hopefully we don't break through the floor, but I don't think we will. We are heading on from the oil change place. We got it all good, taken care of. And now we are headed to Anaheim to meet up with Melissa's parents and sister. And maybe we'll get dinner tonight, I don't know.
You better get dinner.
Look at that mountain, it's huge. Oh my Lord.